क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 दिख रहा है, फंक्शन डोमेन इज -π/2 to π/2 to codomain is r and the function is given log of secant x plus tan x then whole cube. So we have to check the odd, even and onto into nature of the function. So we write fx, which is log of secant x plus tan x whole cube. First, to check odd and even, I just put x as minus x. So f of minus x is comes like this. When f of minus x comes, we know that secant x minus tan x is a reciprocal of secant x plus tan x. That's why I have written secant x minus tan x as 1 by secant x plus tan x. So whole cube remain as it is. Now log of 1 upon something is minus of log about that thing. So this minus comes outside because of cube. So this is minus of fx. So one thing is clear, that fx is odd. Now for onto into, let us check the nature of the function itself. Now let us look at the sec x plus tan x nature. So sec x plus tan x I written as 1 plus sin x by cos x. Converting sin into cos and cos into sin is 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x, and this cos is sin of pi by 2 minus x. Using half angle formula, we can write that this is equal to cot of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now as in the domain of the function x lying between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, so minus x by 2 lying between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, hence this much angle, that pi by 4 minus x by 2, is basically lying between 0 to pi by 2. So if we see that this is suppose theta, so cot theta, for this cot theta lying between 0 to pi by 2. If you look at the graph of cot x, this is somehow like this. So cot of theta when theta lying between 0 to pi by 2 is lying between 0 to infinity. So secant x plus tan x basically lying between 0 to infinity. Now if you are going to put the log over it, it will take from minus infinity to infinity. Hence this is the same as the codomain. Hence function is onto. Can we say function is 1 1 or not? Because we have seen already this function is equal to cot of this, and because cot theta is only lying between 0 to pi by 2, this is 1 1 function also. Hence the function is 1 1 onto and odd.